Do you want to upgrade your supercharged LT4 and add an additional 300 horsepower? Then you need Nitrous Express's billet aluminum LT4 supercharger lid and nitrous system. This billet lid is CNC machined and anodized in black for the ultimate in looks and corrosion resistance. The lid replaces your factory LT4 supercharger lid for a quick and easy install. Not only does this lid look amazing, but its improved airflow design adds up to 25 horsepower by itself. And it's able to increase power even further when the nitrous system is activated. This system is a spraybarless design, which means that the nitrous and fuel passages are CNC machined directly into the lid in order to prevent typical spray bar failures like sagging and rotating, which can impede nitrous flow. This system comes complete with our top-of-the-line nitrous components, like our Lightning Series solenoids. These solenoids feature CNC machined billet aluminum bodies topped with carbon fiber cans for the ultimate in weight savings, performance, and looks. The solenoid bases offer an improved flow path that eliminates sharp turns and expansion areas in the nitrous flow path. This keeps the nitrous in dense liquid form, giving you more power while utilizing less nitrous. Another one of these awesome components is our Lightning 500 bottle valve. This valve not only looks great, but is packed with features, including 2 integrated gauge ports, a 5/8 siphon tube, a large 1/2-inch orifice, and an improved flow path with only one 45-degree turn. The Lightning bottle valve looks great, flows great, and weighs nearly 1 full pound less than the old-style brass valves. We also include everything you need to complete the installation, including a TPS wide-open throttle switch that activates your nitrous system only at full throttle and shuts off when you let your foot off of the accelerator. A fuel rail adapter to simplify installation with no need to cut your factory fuel lines, jetting for 100 to 300 wheel horsepower, stainless braided lines, and all of the necessary fittings and hardware to complete the installation. So if you're ready to have the fastest LT4 in your city, this is exactly what you need. For more information, you can visit us at www.nitrousexpress.com or give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. As always, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you next time.